Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see all WhatsApp groups. We start by opening WhatsApp. Next, we will scroll down the chat screen to see additional options. After that, we will see that different categories have appeared, including groups, and we click on it. Here, we will have the chats filtered by the group category. Once we have found them easily, you can hold down a specific one and perform actions with it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.